Okay, but first thing. You are going to need to know how to make your smoker. So, first thing, you're gonna need your smoker. Don't know what this is called, but always make sure it's standing up like this and not this. Otherwise, your smoker is going to suffocate. Okay, to start your smoker, you will need newspaper, denner needles, and then last but not least, you will need koukak, dry koukak, not the wet ones. Otherwise, it's going to struggle to burn. So first, you want to light your newspaper. Newspaper only to create a flame. There we go, we have our flame. Next, you're going to add your egg cartons. And then you're going to wait for your egg cartons to burn. Once your egg carton takes flame, going to add your denner needles. Once your denner needles takes flame, add your koukak. No, the smoke does not kill the bees, it only calms them. It only calms them down. The bee movie was not accurate. Where did I put my cow shirt? To master beekeeping, one must master the smoker. If your bees get out of control and your smoker is not smoking, you are in for a long day. There we go. Now you're going to add your koukak, small pieces first. Okay. Hey! Kom hier so, bring die kaart. Bring die kaart. Nox, vat. Bring. Stout. Then on the top, you want to add a big piece of koukak. Okay, our smoker is ready.